today I'm with Sheryn, and Sheryn has had a closure for a year now, would we say? A year? Yeah. So this is her third one. And Sheryn, how has it affected you or changed your life in any way since you've had her?
I absolutely love the mesh integration. I think it's definitely given me back the confidence and the oomph that I needed. I guess having the mesh integration has given me a sense of I can wake up in the morning and I can brush my hair gently and I can get ready in 2 seconds flat. It's eliminated all the time and effort into an hour-long hair regime every day, and I shit you not, it does. It really has given me back my life. I had a period of chemotherapy for a medical condition, and I didn't lose my hair, but I lost a lot of hair integrity in my hair. And what it has done is given me back my locks. I was apprehensive at first, I have to agree, and then Julie really sold it to me that it would rejuvenate my hair and give me back a good sense of hair growth to my hair, which it definitely has, without the need of having to colour or spend a lot of time and money on my hair through the mesh integration process. So I think that's really sold it to me.
Yes, and Sheryn used to just have wax, but with the wax you still couldn't get that thickness on the top. You could only do thickness at the back, and that's what you really wanted, was the thickness on the top. But we've noticed today that since she hasn't been colouring her hair, and with the mesh integration, her hair has actually gone thicker.
I've definitely seen the volume today. So after a year and probably 3 stints of having the mesh integration put back in, the hair integrity, so my hair strands have actually improved tenfold in my own natural hair. So much so that I was kind of blown away today, Julie, when you did this mesh integration for the 3rd time.
Yeah.
So,
and I say a lot of ladies think, oh, does it ruin your hair? But obviously Sheryn's hair has gone thicker.
it has become thicker.
Like a lot of our ladies would like to know, how does it get itchy? Does it smell?
No, it doesn't get itchy, it's not heavy, it doesn't smell. I will be completely honest, when Julie first put it on, I thought, how on earth am I going to cope with the concept of having something sitting on top of my scalp? So I was apprehensive at first, and I said to Julie, I don't know if I can keep it on my head, because it was a different sensation, it was a different feeling.
It was like a hat sometimes, isn't it?
And I felt like something fake or foreign was sitting on my scalp. After 24 hours, I thought, I'm definitely going to text Julie and say, no, I don't want it. 24 hours later,
So give 2 weeks.
I texted Julie and I said, I love it. I absolutely love it. Because when I woke up the next day, the very next day after having it in, I woke up, my hair did not move. I didn't have to do it for work. I didn't have to spend a tireless hour on doing my hair. And I thought, oh my God, it looks as fabulous as when she did it the day before. And every day it got better. And the best part was I didn't have to wash it or maintain it for a week.
Yeah, so that's another good thing. You don't have to wash your hair like 7 to 10 days, not like all the time. Because it's not actually gets dirty.
It didn't get dirty, so it gave me back not only priceless time in my week, it gave me back quality time that I could spend with my family or working, so I can get up early. So it actually was amazing. It's a win-win situation. So,
and it's good for you ladies out there that you can actually hear straight from the horse's mouth of somebody who's worn it for a year now. So
I don't think I could go back, Julie. I don't want to go back. I think it's the best thing that I have ever used, the best product I've ever used, and I thank you so much because it's given me confidence and it's given me courage.
So what would you say to the ladies out there who are sitting on the fence and thinking if they should do it or shouldn't do it? What would you say?
I think you need to reach out and do it. I think mesh integration is the new way forward for women with fine hair, women that have been through treatment or therapy, where they've lost hair, women that need to rebuild their hair growth. I think it's definitely a winner for all women.
Yeah. So thanks, Sheryn.
Thanks, Julie.
For talking, and speak to you soon.
Thank you.
Bye.